Okay. All right. Life is fun. We'll have a good time.
It's gonna be good.
Okay. So I'm over on the test now. So I don't know
Okay.
what things my face is saying, but we'll just go with it. Okay. And true. Okay. I know what I was going to do was going down for question 3. And I was going to check on our preparation assignment how they had the Republican Democrat, but this one they threw an independent and they changed the amounts. So I was hoping it was going to match, but it doesn't. Okay, so for questions 3 through 9, please use the following information. A public opinion poll surveyed a simple random sample. Okay, of 1,000 voters. Respondents were classified by gender, female or male. I'm glad they didn't go any more ambiguous than that. And by voting preference, Republican, Democrat, or Independent. The results are presented here. Okay. In this set of questions, we will explore the research question. Do men's voting preferences differ slightly from women's voting preferences? Use a level of significance of 0.05. All right. Which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question? Gender and voting preferences are independent. Gender and voting preferences are not independent. Yeah, it's
That
got to
one
be the
isn't.
first one. Yeah, it's got to be
Yeah.
the first one. Okay.
All right. So what we have to do for these is we have to take that information from this chart and put it into SPS, right?
Well, I figured if we go through the questions and get to that point, let's find out
Okay.
if we have to.
Because
So,
while I was waiting for you to call back, I was trying to figure it out, and I don't like it.
as far as putting it in, or
Yeah, I don't know. I was struggling. I was trying to remember because I watched the video and did it with him as he was doing it, but yeah, fun stuff.
okay. So, question number 4 is the third one down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Did you go this far?
Uh, I was just trying to end. So it's the third
1, 2, 3.
choice 3.
So it would be 2 and 1. Oh, times. Okay, never mind. So 2 times 1 would be 2, right? So degrees of freedom would be 2.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Are the requirements for conducting independence tests met by this data? And that's the one that we don't know until we've.
Yeah.
We don't know if there are at least 5 expected counts in each cell. So, and they also want us to get the test statistic. So we do have to put that into SPSS. All right, so that means I have to now get a SPSS up. Oh, I'm having such a fun day. Okay. Oh, and I'm going to have to go back and forth. Oh, this is going to be just lovely. All right, pen, pen, pen. Well, it's hoping my charming son actually went and at least put my money in the bank today. Oh, come on. Oh, that's interesting. While it's waiting for SPS to come on, my screen won't scroll.
Oh, fun
Okay.
stuff.
Yeah. Republican, Dem, and Independent, and male, and female. Uh, all right, you're taking your sweet baby time. Okay, trying to remember what goes in a row. I mean, how they want
Yeah.
it put in is what confuses the bejeebies out of me.
Okay. It gets me too. That's what, when I was waiting for you, what I was trying to figure out, and it was messing with my head.
Okay, so let's see, that would be 250 and 200 and 300 and 150 and 50 and 50. Okay, because we don't really care about the totals. We're not going to plug that in. So if I remember right, we're going to have one row that is going to be the totals. So when we put it in, we're going to have one that's going to be our count, right? And so trying to think. So one row is going to say Republican. The next thing is going to say female, and then we're going to put count. And then it's going to say Republican, and then male, and then count. And then it's going to be Democrat, female, and then Democrat, male, right? Isn't that the way it should go?
I'm trying to remember.
So one will be, so one row, a column we will have gender. So we'll have a column of gender, a column of count, and then the rows. Oh, and then one will be party. Right? So then the party will be Republican and Republican, and then demo and demo, and then independent and independent, right? And then we'll have male and then female and male, female, or however order we put it in. And then counts next to it. And then we're going to go over and we're going to weight according to the count. Republican male is 200, Republican female. See if I actually have it right. I don't know if I do, but 50 and 50. Okay, so now that I have the information written down so that I can plug it in here.
I'm still a little confused about how to plug it in.
Okay, so the first column under variable and 1, we're going to write Republican. Not that I'm going to spell it right, but I don't care. As long as I'm consistent. You know what? I may just put rub just so I can be consistent.
Okay.
Okay, and then next to that, in row 1, next to Republican, then I'm going to write male. And next to that is going to be my count of 200.
I think I'm doing something really weird and it's not like working.
Sorry. I haven't gotten there close yet to be weird.
Oh, it's just taped me tonight. So, yeah, that's where I'm at.
We will get through this. We shall overcome. Let's do our spirituals and get through this. I always thought it'd be like so fun to be a black gospel singer.
Ah.
Okay. Okay. Then I'm gonna wait. Cases by variable 3. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, I got the cases weighted.
Okay, yeah, I can't even figure out how to put it in.
Okay. Let's see. If I can go to screen share and see if this is the right one. Right. What does that look like?
Okay.
Does that
See,
did that make sense to you?
yeah, that's what I was trying to do, but it wasn't letting me put like that second variable in of the male and female.
Oh, how weird.
Yeah, I was being dumb. So like I could type in like Republican, but like in the boxes next to it, I couldn't.
That was weird.
Yeah.
Okay, just trash the computer. You're done with it. It's time for a new one.
Yeah, I'll just open up. Yeah. Okay, well, maybe we'll just go off of yours.
Okay, so from there, I think we need to go to analyze, right?
Mm-hmm.
Descriptive statistics, and then crosstabs,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
And it didn't really matter
Okay,
which one was rows and which was columns.
Does it? No. Okay.
Now you said it didn't matter. So I put, can you still see what I'm doing?
Yes, I can see.
Okay.
I'm
Then
watching.
go to statistics and chi-square and
And
I
then it
forgot. Did
was.
they want us to put contingency, coefficiency? I can't remember if they wanted us.
You know what? Maybe. Because I was trying to figure out what I was doing wrong in the other one. Because my answers weren't matching up with his. That might have been what I did wrong. So I wonder.
I remember there was something where they wanted us to hit something else as
Well,
well.
I know that we're supposed to go to cells.
Okay, so I will
That
just
button.
hit continue on chi-square. Okay, cells. Oh,
And then
that's
we're
it.
supposed to hit
It's
expected.
observed is already there, and then it's expected.
Yes.
And then we don't care about percentages, so that was continue. And then down here is display clustered. I must be hungry. Custard sounds good too. Bar charts. Okay, and hit OK. Oh, I'm amusing myself again. I'm in trouble. All right. So there's our bar chart. That's kind of interesting.
Oh, I don't see the bar chart.
Oh.
For whatever reason.
Okay, can you see what our statistics are? What came up?
I don't see the descriptives.
Huh. Okay, well, it has on here. Huh. I wonder if this is just if I have to change screens that I'm sharing. Okay. Maybe if I put stop sharing that one and let me see if I can go to a different. Well, come on. Go there and go the output document. How's that?
There we go.
Okay. So there's our bar chart. Okay. I can't believe I figured that out. That was pretty impressive. Okay, so he said this part is the Pearson chi-square. That is all of our information that we need right there. So our value, which would be our chi2 is 16.204. I don't know what that little funky doohickey is up in the corner because I can't read it. Our DF is 2, which we'd already figured out. And our P is, what do they say, close to 0.000 or close to 0, depending on how they want us to write it. Okay, so now that I have that information, I can minimize you. Oh, hello, face. How are you? Let's see. Go back to where I was. Hello, screen. All right. So, all right. Oh, I forgot to see. Gosh darn it. Forgot to see. The whole question was. Okay. 0 cells have expected count less than 5. That's in the bottom of the chi-square test. Underneath that.
Yeah.
So that, okay. So there's the actual answer that we were going for right there.
For number
Okay.
6 is, wait, what? Is the, or we're on number 6, right?
Number 6 is, yes, there are at least 5 expected counts in each cell.
That's the one I thought it was. Okay.
Yes, okay.
Okay, and then what is the value of x squared test statistic for this problem?
6.204.
6.204?
That's what I got. Let's hope it's
right.
right.
It says round to 2 decimals.
All right.
So
well,
6.2.
So we'll take off the 2. I mean the 4. I'll take off something.
Okay.
Shove it off somewhere. Okay.
And then p-value.
That was 0.000. Okay. Okay. So we are going to reject the null. So, okay. Best describes the outcome of the study. There's sufficient evidence suggests that gender and voting preferences are independent. No. There's sufficient evidence to suggest that Democrats outnumber Republicans. No. There is not enough evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are not independent. That's the one we want, right?
There's not enough evidence to suggest?
Yes, because our null is that gender and voting preferences are independent. So what we're going to say, because we're rejecting it,
we're
is
going to say
they're not independent, right?
Okay. It's a good thing you remember that, because I was trying to figure out like what our original null was. So.
Yeah, there's sufficient. No, wait a minute. Oh, there's not sufficient. Wait.
What is the
top one? Never mind. Change that answer to the top one.
Okay.
There's sufficient evidence to suggest that gender and voting preferences are not independent. Not there's not enough evidence. Okay.
Okay.
Scared me almost. I almost messed this up. Okay. In this set of questions, we will review the reasons for seeking chiropractic care. Study from reading with modified data. Please use the data presented here for questions 10 through 14. Click on the link below and select Open Link in New Tab to download the data. Okay, let's see. Where's the link that says Open a New Tab? I don't get that one. Okay. Well, it just came up, so we'll just deal with it, right? Alrighty. So, what is our first question? Oh, I was supposed to right-click on it. Oh well. The research question for this study is, do people in Europe, Australia, and the United States seek care for reasons, blah, 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 blah. Okay, the conditions for test written. Okay, so we're going to have, all right.
So we're going to have to Are we gonna have to weigh it?
Yeah, well, I'm assuming so. Of course, you know what happens when I assume, but it won't hurt us if we weight it to begin with, right? According to count. Okay, weight cases by. Is yours working?
Yeah.
Okay.
So far.
Okay. All right. All right, so then we're going to go to analyze. And location for columns and statistics is squared. So unexpected. Yeah.
And then we want to display the clustered bar charts. Is that
yes.
what we click?
That's. Oh, be quiet. I don't want to text right now. Oh, isn't it a cute little bar chart? Okay, so 0 cells have expected count less than 5. So yes, that is. We're okay. We meet that criteria. Okay. Satisfied. True.
So we're true.
That's true. Okay. And where are we? Degrees of freedom is 8.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Okay. What's the value? Okay. Let's see. Okay. I have the value is 7.436 and then the P is 0.490 because I know they're going to ask. Okay. 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 We're going to do this round to 2 decimals. All right. So 7.44. Okay. So P value is 0.49. Okay. Okay. So the last one, which of the following? Oh, I'm sorry. Did you get down to 14?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So we are going to keep we're not going to reject the null, right? Because this is large number. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it took me a minute because I was thinking 0.5 instead of 0.05. Okay.
Okay.
I'm brain dead today.
It's not independently.
Is it the third one?
Yes. All right. I don't know why I keep getting notifications when people post on Facebook. I don't care. All right. There's insufficient evidence to suggest that motivation to visit a chiropractor is not independent of the location. Correct. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Whew. All right. It's not that bad, sort of, but I don't know that I'll remember it because I feel like we haven't done it enough for it to be in my brain.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What did we miss? We missed something. They did not like my test statistic for in number 7. Okay, so now I'm going to go back and see why not. What did I write down wrong? Well, I don't know what that little A doohickey meant up there. Well, that didn't help me any. Do you know what the little A thing up there means? A, 0 cells have expected countless.
Of the, like, the chi-squared? or the chi-squared, whatever they call it.
Yeah, the chi-square test.
Yeah, I don't know. I was trying to figure that out earlier, and I can't, like, because when I did
How
it with the video, it didn't match what he did, so I don't know what I did wrong with that. But
I'm not sure why they didn't like my number there, because they said that's where it was. Well, whatever.
okay.
But they liked it in the other one when I rounded. So I don't know what that means. Because a 4, it should have just dropped off. We wouldn't round it up, right? So it should be 16.2. Maybe I put the 0 and they didn't like it?
I'll take the 0 off and see if it makes a difference, but
So it should have been
it
6.2,
didn't.
but I don't know what they wanted then.
It still didn't like it.
Because it said round to 2.
Mm-hmm.
Huh. Odd. I
Oh, well.
protest. At this point, I need all the points I can get. Okay. Whatever. Okay,
Well, we
I
got
guess
it done, though.
we did. And
Yes.
I will try tomorrow when I'm freezing my tail off out there in San Diego to research more of what he means about the mean, and then to change our design, the study, and submit it.
All right. I
Because I
did
figure
ask
the
him for
answer's got to be
school
there somewhere.
verification.
Okay,
And to
if you
see if,
get
like,
something, forward
okay.
it to me, his answer, if it makes any
I will.
sense. Okay.
Okay.
Then
Sounds
I
good.
will let you go write your paper, okay?
Thanks.
Yes. And have a good one.
You too.
All right.
Have fun in this track meet.
And oh, Guy, there was something coming up. What was it? For some reason, I was thinking I can't do next Tuesday, and I can't remember why.
Okay.
Well, then maybe it's not valid. If I come up with the reason of what it was, I can't remember why that would be at this point, because I can't think of anything on the 15th that I can't.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well, if I remember it, then I will get back to you. And
Okay.
because I remember thinking for some reason maybe we could do Monday, but now I'm thinking, why would I want to do Monday? But anyway, if there's something, I will text you. So
Okay. Yeah.
write your
Just let
paper.
me know.
Have fun. Okay.
Thanks.
Talk to you later. Bye.
Goodbye.